In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Roblox. Open Roblox. When you download it from Play Store or App Store, it's going to take you to this page. So right now, click here, create account. So you have to choose your birthday. I don't know, I would just use, for example, this. Click confirm birthday and your username. Don't use your real name, okay? In app, these numbers, and choose your gender and click continue. And right now here you have to add your password and then click done. And that's all, guys. You are created an account easy and quick. And if you want to add the email, just click here, add email, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.